The Gilson Rolling Thin Film Oven features advanced design, durable construction, and repeatable accuracy in measuring the effects of heat on asphalt binder specimens in accordance with ASTM and AASHTO test specifications. All Gilson RFTO ovens are completely checked and tested before shipment. Follow general installation instructions before beginning a test. If the unit will not heat, verify that the unit is connected to a working power source. If the unit still will not heat, check the temperature controller located on the front panel of the unit to verify that it is turned on and that the SV temperature is higher than the PV temperature. If the unit still will not heat or the temperature controller will not turn on, you need to check the 24-volt DC power supply. To check the power supply, you need to remove the side panel. Verify that the RTFO is disconnected from its power source before removing the side panel. Now we have access to the internal components of the unit. Now verify the 24-volt DC power supply fuses are not blown, and replace as necessary. If the unit still will not heat, you need to check the heat control. If working correctly, the heat control should have a green indicator light on. If the green indicator light is on, and the unit still will not heat, you need to carefully inspect the heating coils for any breaks. Note that the heating coils are very sensitive. Do not touch. A broken coil should be completely detectable without physically touching the coil. Now, remove the air coil and tray by disconnecting the air line at its coupling. Next, remove the retaining screw and then slide the air coil and tray out of the unit. Carefully inspect the heating coils for any breaks. If the green indicator light is not on, or if there is a heating coil break, or for any technical question about any Gilson product, please contact your Gilson technical support team.